Hello everyone, I hope you're all doing fantastic. In today's video I'm going to show you a super simple way to calculate a 15% discount using your calculator. Alright, let's start with an example. Suppose you have an item that costs $1,357 and you want to find out what the final price will be after applying a 15% discount. Here's how you do it in just 3 easy steps. Enter the original price, which is $1,357, into your calculator, press the multiply button, and multiply by 85. Now, you may be wondering, why do we multiply by 85? Let's break it down. When we talk about percentages, the total is always 100%. A 15% discount means you are paying 15% less than the original price. So, if you take 15% away from 100%, you are left with 85%. In other words, paying 85% of the original price means you are saving 15%. So, we multiplied the original price by 85, and then, using the percentage button, you're effectively calculating an 85% of the original price, which gives you the final amount after the discount. So, finally, let's press that percentage button, and voila, the final amount after 15% off is $1,153.45. Let's do one more example to make sure we've got it. Imagine this time we have an item priced at $2,450. So let's enter that into our calculator, 2,450, press the multiply button, multiply by 85, press the percentage button, and after 15% off, the final price comes out to be $2,082.50. This quick method saves you time and ensures accuracy. And there you have it, folks, a fast and easy way to calculate 15% off a price using your calculator. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more quick tips and tricks. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.